Check the following sentence. Marks the syllabic stretch of each word and record yourself pronounce the sentence. The airplane taxied down the runway before taking off. Second, check the following sentence, the marks, the word stretch in the sentence and record yourself pronouncing the sentence. The airplane circled around the airport waiting patiently to receive permission to land. The tier. Check the following paragraph and apply what you have learned about syllable stress and word stress in sentence. Record yourself pronouncing the paragraph. The moon is barren, rocky world without air and weather. It has a dark lava plain on its surface. The moon is filled with craters. It has no light of its own. It gets its light from the sun. The moon keeps changing its shape as it moves around the earth. Thank you so much.